What up? We back. Yo, 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 banging. I haven't seen you in a while. What's been up? Where have you been, man? How have you been? Trading? Taking time off? What are you up to? Woo. Bro. Dude, that's awesome. That's awesome, man. At least you knew enough to like take a step back and focus. That's great, man. 284? Is that where your take profit was and we didn't get to it? I got nothing going on. I ate. I got my iced coffee. And I've just been chilling out. And I was watching fucking YouTube videos, trading, and I was like, I'll just pop on. I have some premature stimulation. I mean, I keep adding the longs. Oh, there's definitely not a cream for that. I'm on my own. I mean, we're just kind of chopping here. Boom, 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 boom. Man, dude, are we gonna go back to highs? What up, Lee? I mean, it's not getting extreme yet. Extreme would be like 4 or 5%. We start hitting 4 or 5%. I would say you're getting to extremes. Being that we're not there yet, I wouldn't say extremes is. I loaded the standard deviation. Like we're not even at 2 standard deviations. Two standard deviations brings us to 338. I kind of feel like the high is in. How's that sound? Is that weird? I might risk this. I might risk it for the biscuit. Yo, what up, Moxie? Covey Cove. Just setting all my stuff up. I don't know. It just kind of seems like we're about to lose itself, like Eminem. Let's see what we get. Well, I just got 180 bucks, so I need to get to this. Oh, dude, I just scalped it long. I just scalped it schlong. So obviously I was copy trading these accounts. I told you this one account I was copy trading, I brought it all the way back. All the way back. It was down 2,500 bucks and now it's down 72. Will Bears eat? Keith, the Bears ate for a while. They're done. What up, Double O? I think we're going to trade here for a while. It might be the pump for Google. Might be the Google pump. The old Google pump. Wait, what are they doing? They're not getting rid of the school loans? Yo, they got rid of canceling debt. Dude, you know how hard it is to move to Canada? Pay up, deadbeats. No way. For real? That's crazy. I mean, you owe the money. You owe the money. Pay it. What up, Kay? The biggest problem is they tell you to go to college, but the jobs out of college are not paying you enough to like cover the loans. That's the biggest problem is the loans are just the loan payments. I mean, you could be paying them for like 20 years and your job could be paying you almost, like if you go and work as a waitress, like you didn't have to go to college, or if you go to work as, in a real retail store or something, like you don't have to go to college, but they tell you to. You take out these loans and it doesn't really help you out. Yeah, CT. Yep. Exactly. Exactly. Like you leave with 240K in debt plus interest, and you're only, it's going to take you 15, 20 years to pay that off. It's crazy. Crazy. What the fuck is that? My Ninja Trader? Bro, I'm live, baby. Tell grandma to come on. I put it in the chat. Yo, what up, BK? Came on early. I wasn't doing anything. I was just hanging. I ate. Dude, I was just sitting here being like, yo, what's everyone up to? I was bored. So I came back on. I ate quick. I had stuffed pork chops. I didn't have to take a shower because I didn't go to the gym. Baseball went good. We lost last night, but I played good. I went 1 for 2 with a walk, RBI. My hit was solid too. It was right back at the pitcher, and it was hit so fucking hard. Like I felt it off the bat, off the sweet spot, and when I hit it, instantly that shit is going somewhere. But it had like no loft. It was literally like right back at him, and he couldn't even put the glove up fast enough, and it just went line drive in the outfield. When was last time I hit a home run? fall baseball. That was my first game I played all spring. Yeah. Yo, Dell's full sending. Yeah. Baseball was good though. Got to see everybody, which is always nice. Haven't seen those guys since fall. Some of them since the summertime. So you got to hang out. It was good. Barry Bonds is the GOAT. You got 6K a drawdown? How far are you? Or what is the account? Yo, Hope. What up, Hope? Hello, everybody. Hey, Hope. What are we looking at to see on these charts? Honestly, we've been chopping for the last hour or so. I was wondering what I got on here. I kind of feel like we're going to head a little south here. I don't know. It might be a waiting game until so here's previous week high. We swept the previous week high, came back through, and I kind of feel like we're going to give it up possibly. I don't know. We're just kind of chopping here. There's not a super clear direction. Oh, nice. I'm going to just try taking. I need $75 to turn this account green. So let's see if I can do it right now. Yo, all I need is $75. What could happen? Only need $75. What could happen? Truer words have never been spoken. See, it rejected off of this imbalance, but now that we came back up, I don't love it anymore. I like it off the imbalance rejection, and the stochastics are overbought. But I want to see a rejection here. That's not what I want. I do not want that. No. Only needed $75. Only need $75. What could happen? I mean, you have lower highs, like lower. I'm curious if we make a higher high here. Oh, come on. Do we make a higher high? Come through. Come all the way down. Just play the range, maybe. What up, Zane? How many contracts do you have right now, Chad? Are you in large? Because I know you said you were adding. I want to see it go under the 9. Just tap the 34. What up, goat? Man, down would be such a great move. Am I the only fool that's short here? I guess I'm the only. You guys are all long. I just feel like there's more meat on the bone to the down. I mean, we're almost at 2 standard deviations on the day. Come on. What's up, Akash? Yo, give me that freaking Trump tariff candle to the downside. Trump, tell me you didn't like what China said. All I need is one big push. Oh, we're not going to get it. It's not going to happen. It's holding. It's definitely holding the 9. Need to get under the 9 like fucking ASAP. Yeah, Hope. Kind of feel that way. Yeah, because I feel like they're buying because of Google's earnings today. I agree. Hold on one second. Yo, you think this thing's going to tank on earnings? This thing looks like it's going to rip. Just fucking do it. Just rip it. For full-time trading, it's at 4:05, 4:10. Anybody know the exact time for Google earnings? I just see that it's after hours. What is it? Earnings whisper 4:05. Intel and Alphabet show. Oh, baby. Dude, that was a nice slam. Chad, you held. You held. You finally got the price target. Oh. Oh. So if it starts at 4, actually, I'm going to set my alarm to I'm going to set my alarm for 1 minute earlier than it normally goes off. Boom. We gotta turn these accounts green here. Dude, a lot of people thinking we're going up. Bro, you tilted? Yo, Sean C. I was bored. I had nothing going on. I was bored and I was like, I finished eating and I was just like, oh, I'll just jump on real quick. Let's see what we got. Google, you think Google's going to be priced in? I think Google's going to have some pretty good earnings, to be honest with you. Dude, what were you? Did you copy trade everything, Dell? The big thing that you're going to have to watch out for is guidance. Guidance is going to be a big one. I will say if Google's earnings are bad, dude, we're in for some big shit if Google's earnings are bad. If Google doesn't have great earnings, that means everyone's going to think that the rest of the 7 or rest of the 5 that haven't reported are going to have bad earnings, and we're going to be in some shit. Yo, turn me on at the gym. I mean, so if Google has bad earnings, I would say that we're going to trend down for a while. Just a peek. I'll give you a little. I will say though, look at this chart. That's super bullish. This was the trend. We broke it. I mean, you're going to if you were trading this on like the 5-minute chart, you'd be targeting the top of here for your take profit. So you'd say we have 1,200 more points to the upside. But if Google's earnings are shit, I would probably say you're going to be back around the bottom of this, maybe even lower if Google has shit earnings. Yo, it's Maria from jail. What's up? Yo, what's so funny is when Maria says she's in jail, somebody probably thinks she's actually in jail and then is wondering if she's on. Have you scrolled Instagram where they have those things where you can like date girls like Tinder, but they're all inmates? Did you guys see that shit? It's like all inmates, inmate Tinder or whatever it is. It's called something else, obviously. Check the monthly. The monthly does not look great. I mean, that's a large hammer. It's not the first time I heard that. Yo, a cash, what up? Yo, what up, Methodical? What up, what up? Stone, my wife went to prison. It's just Stone has a small hammer. What up, David? What's up, Garen? Oh, man. Yo, I'm kind of annoyed. Tradeify didn't give me my little Lamborghini certificate with my payout. I'm kind of annoyed about this. First degree cheek battery in the middle of an Arby's parking lot. You're still hanging in the copper? Nothing, man. Nothing, Kevin. How do you get the first of all, how do you get the certificate? Does it get mailed to me? Like emailed? Because look. I requested payout. I got the payout. Payout is approved. Where the fuck is my certificate? Where's my certificate? I want my Lambo certificate. They're not giving it to me. Kind of annoyed. Bro, I got the greatest tweet to tweet out, and I wonder if Brett retweets it or Tradeify retweets it and not reads the whole thing. If he retweets it, it'd be fucking hysterical. I thought that was just Tradeify. It is Tradeify. That was a Tradeify account. 205. Oh yeah, anytime you oh man, I'm gonna butcher this. Aline Anute. Anytime you have questions, just ask in the chat. I answer everybody in the chat. Dude, have you back tested the ES? How many funded accounts do I have right now? Twenty funded accounts. Oh yeah. No, it was trade. I want my Lamborghini certificate. Maybe when it actually gets paid out. I don't know what's going on. Dude, I'm gonna ask. Yeah, I'm gonna post in the Discord. Be like, yo, where's my Lamborghini? Where is my Lambo? Yo, thanks for subscribing. Who just subscribed? Hope ATX just subscribed. What up, Hope? Appreciate it. Yo, I'm actually asking where's my Lambo? Oh, I love just freaking full-time trading. I just subbed yesterday. Well, welcome to the stream. Yo, some guy answered me in the Discord. I'll get it when it's paid. Oh, they got this slow. I can't even make another message for like. Is this guy even a fucking mod? Oh man, you're exhausted today? Yo, road to success. I'm on like less than 5 hours of sleep. Dude, these guys are fucking. Yo, why is it so hard to get paid by prop firms? Like, you got my information, and then like it's always like the next step that they want from you. Like, dude, just send me my money. Send me my money. Dude, this thing's going nowhere. Anyone cash flow management, you ain't kidding. You ain't kidding. They stay. Also, they want you to trade the account. So you blow it. Daddy's not trading the account until I get that money out. I think we're just gonna dump. Oh, you want to know how I deal with the accounts? I mostly trade them individually. So I know it sounds like a daunting task. It all depends on how you trade. So yo, there's smoke. No, I don't see Jersey fire. I don't see shit. It's blue sky out here. Blue sky. What up, Shalom? I trade each one individually. I did copy trade today, and the only reason I copy traded today was on the 27th of April. I'm going to get rebilled for a lot of Apex $16 accounts. And not too far after that, I have another batch of $16 Apex accounts. So, like an idiot, I decided to copy trade 4 accounts today, and I lost 3 of them. So I won't be copy trading. I took a shot. I took a shot. What was crazy was I was down from the beginning. They were all brand new, so it wasn't like I was close to a payout. If you could pass 250, the same win rate as 50, would you prefer to trade at 250? Probably, Kevin. If I could trade both of them, and I had the same win rate, I would probably do the bigger one. Because then I just have more drawdown to play around with, and I'd probably play bigger contracts. Why do you think the 50K is better? I get it. Like once you're past the beginning, the drawdown doesn't matter, but out the gate, my drawdown would be better. Yeah, I like the bigger drawdown because instead of playing one mini, I'd probably play 3 minis. So I'd probably take the same amount of trades for the same amount of points, but I would get there. So it wouldn't matter. I've never traded a Forex prop firm. Dude, that's how much you got to get in that account? No. Knob, it's the amount you got to get is the same as the drawdown. The amount is the same for the drawdown, I believe. Yeah, I think it's once you get funded, the payout and the drawdown are the same. Yeah, but the pass doesn't matter because he said if you could pass at the same rate as the 50K, which means it doesn't matter anymore. Then I would do the 250. But to me, the odds are you're going to pass less of the 250. But he was saying if I could pass both accounts at the same pass rate, what I would rather. And that's why I'm saying the 250 is because if my pass rate is 30% on the 50 and 30% on the 250, I'd rather the 250. But in real life, it's not the same, to me at least. Oh, this is some serious chop. Are we going to ramp this up higher right now? Are we going to 300? Dude, this thing's just going to go. Yeah, full time. They all become static. That's the one thing people don't realize. Garen, yes, they'll let it slide unless it's like a $3,000 gain. Once you're funded, Once you have a funded account and you pass the buffer, all of them become static. I try to explain that to people, but they don't exactly understand it. They think, the trailing and whatnot, but it's all static after you hit a certain point. Dude, you can't even get a fucking answer. Like, I try to get an answer. I'm trying to get an answer with fucking, what do you call it? It's so stupid. You try to get an answer from these guys, and I fucking can't get one. But I think I'm set. I'm fine for them to pay me. So ridiculous. I'm trying to get paid by Tradeify, and I'm set. I requested a payout yesterday. I was approved, but they still haven't sent me it. So I'm just waiting to see what the deal is. Yeah, full time. It's so weird because I have this conversation like once a week about it being. Yeah, your drawdown is the account level CT. They use the value of the account, I guess, is like the margin, but that doesn't even make sense because you would need 10 minis. You'd only need like 10 grand. I've said that before, though. Full port, the first trade unfunded. Yeah, even Nasdaq, even Apex becomes static once you pass the thing. Chad, new highs here. New highs. New highs. Let's go. I mean, there's no real movement right here to take anything. Oh, Tradeify pays me paid with after 24 hours. Ugh. Yo, I thought they paid fast. What are these fucking guys talking about on Twitter about getting paid fast? I just want my Lambo certificate. Jeez. That was a quick 200 bean scalp. Oh, I should have just held that. What was that? Yeah, full time. David, people definitely don't know a lot of the rules about this stuff. I try to make this. I got to add to it, to be honest with you. It's hard because some of them change rules and shit, but I started adding rules and stuff here. I got to add more stuff. You're swinging the schlong. You're helicoptering it. I thought it goes to rise when you have to send it to your bank. I think they pay you into your Rise account. Two years? Dude, I'd go crazy if I didn't get a payout for 2 years. All I'm going to say is, bro, this week has been good. Daddy's eating. Cove, are the green lines bullish fair value gaps? Oh, these? So I believe they line up with fair value gaps, but the indicator calls them volume imbalances. And it works pretty fucking good. Lobster rolls, baby. Dude, I am up. Let me see what I'm up in this other account. Yeah, I'm up $7,500 today. That's wild. Did I get the payout request received email? Here, I'll show you right now. They approved it. Fred, look, it says payout status approved. I requested $1,500 yesterday. Approved. Yeah, I got a payout request email also. Yeah, I got the payout request received email also. Yeah, I'll be honest with you. When I first started trading prop firms, I struggled because it's different than options trading. It's different than stock trading. And I definitely struggled in the beginning to become profitable. It took a little bit to get profitable. Yeah. So when you go to clients, it's in clients, right? Like that's in my client area. Right? So when I click clients, it's in there. Yeah, it means I'm set up. All right. Bro, there's motherfuckers on Twitter saying that they got paid in like 10 minutes. Where did I get paid in 10 minutes? Setting up 24 hours waiting for this cash. I'll just wait. I'll just wait it out. Yeah, I'm a quitter, man. Spitters are for quitters. Unbelievable. This thing's just going to ramp up, I think. Oh, I clicked the button too fucking late. I couldn't get to it. Apex to Ninja, what a pain. It's super easy, man. Super, super easy. What'd you have an issue with? I'll help you out. What do you have an issue with? Google earnings after hours. I think this is the pre-ride. It's the pre-ride, or this is the pump to get retail to buy, and then they're going to dump it the last half hour of the day, and then Google earnings are going to suck, and we're going to be down like 500 points tomorrow. They're pumping it up and selling to So I trade Apex on Ninja through trade with my Tradeovate login. I've never done it that way. I've just copied and pasted. Yeah, there's a trade copier on Quant Tower. That trade copier is the easiest to use, but it's like a pain to set them all up on Quant Tower. Just grinding up. Kind of feels like they're going to just dump it at the end of the day on everybody. Oh man. Similar Top Step X, I take it. Thanks for answering, by the way. I could show you it. You want me to show you it? I got to bring it back up. So hold on one second. I shut it off because I'm up in every account that I trade in Quant Tower is up a bunch. So I have 5 I have 5 funded accounts over here. And they're all up a lot. They're all up a good amount. No, I'll get it, man. Where the fuck? Let me okay. Luckily I just did this real quick. So it doesn't you see this is Quant Tower, right? You click here. See, it says copy trading right here. And then you just hit pause. You hit that. And then you basically select your parent account. And then you hit the plus signal to add child accounts. And that's how easy it is. I think it came with my so if you just want to trade within the same prop firm, it's paid for. If you want to trade different prop firms, then you got to pay for that. But if you're trading within the same prop firm, it's paid for. I'm thinking about taking this short right here. Dude, that was a good fucking hammer right there. Yeah, you got to pay $30 a month if you want to trade between multiple prop firms. Yeah, it's an add-on. Yo, Scotsman. Somebody ran the data probably. And I'm going back to the well one more time. Tight stop, one more contract. Somebody ran the numbers over there and it was like probably saw how many times people took large payouts on like a massive day and then the other 4 days were just $200, and they probably did the math, and if they got rid of the massive day and made a consistency rule, they would make more money. What up, Mama Tick? Oh, this is the 1 minute. Yeah, this is the 1 minute. We're not moving around much. You're bored? Yeah, it's not the most exciting day, to be honest. Yo, is that the Concrete Cowboy? What up, Concrete Cowboy? Well, yeah. What was even worse was I was on Top Step TV saying how I just locked in. I was on Top Step TV saying how I hit it one day for $1,400 and then just did 200, 200, 200. And I got a payout, and they didn't look too happy about it. And I didn't realize that they were talking about the consistency rule before that. And I was like, whatever. Yo, later, poker. Do you normally trade Apex, Chad? What do you normally trade? Dude, it was amazing, Scott, because I did it. And he looked weird when I was talking about it. And then later that night, I was on Twitter and I saw that they were doing the consistency rule. And exactly what I was saying on there is what they didn't want anymore. And I was like, oh, that's why. Yo, the deal is awesome, man. By the way, Apex, 90% off. Coupon code Cove Trader, 90% off. $16 accounts. You really can't beat it. Like, to be honest with you, if you go like cost of funding, it's under $200 to have a funded account. It's definitely under 200 bucks. I don't know. I imagine they'll keep it there. But the accounts themselves are much cheaper. So the normal account at 80% off is usually 33 bucks, and right now they're 16. XRP, I don't. My brother owns a bunch of XRP. I don't know any firm that's 200 instant funding. I was talking about Apex. You know, if you pass 4 accounts plus activation fee is approximately 200 bucks. You know, if you have a 25% pass rate funded plus the funded amount is 200 bucks. I'm not a big crypto guy. Is there a time frame to use the Apex accounts? If you don't use them, they'll rebill next month, Maria. So basically, it's kind of up to you. Like, if you're not going to trade them in 30 days, then it's not worth getting them because it's going to rebill you. But if you pass it and pay the activation fee, then it doesn't rebill anymore. It just you have them forever as long as you trade them like once a week. Yeah, the idea is to pass them or not pass them before the 30 days is up. Oh, man. Ugh. Ugh. I try to be as helpful as I can. But yeah, that's the goal, is to pass or smash before 30 days. Because once you get rebuild on an eval, then the cost really goes up. I don't remember the last time we just grinded up like this. This is slow. This is, yeah. This is how I feel it used to be a lot. It used to be more like this, and then it got fucking crazy. Then it got real crazy for a bit. I wish you could just go in heavy and let it ride. The problem is I got so used to trading the volatility that I'm waiting for it to dump or pump a lot. It's just not. No sweeps, no nothing. Today's kind of just like a chill out type of day. Man, Google's going to be wild. Google is going to send us one way or the other. DBT up in the house, riding the 3-minute trend line all day. Get some funky. Yeah, the 200-point random candles are weird. What time's Google? I think 4:05. Somebody said 4 o'clock. Somebody said 4:05. I'm probably gonna play it. We'll just say that. Probably gonna play it. Feels like the move. You know? It just feels like the right move. Yo, I need to get some water. I'll be right back. I'm going to get water real quick. I'm back. I'm back at water and a snack. Oh, man. What up, Nathan? Who do we got in here? What up, Nathan? Enrique's in here. Enchanted. Oliver's in here. Marco, what up? D. Baba Deep. I probably butchered that up. What's up? What up, John? ER's in here. Lenny's in here. Luca's in here. What up? Kyle's in here. What's going on, guys? Plain funded on earnings? Methodical. How else do you play it, man? I don't know. I'm going to probably play a mixture. What up, Walter? Mara's up here. B's in here. What up, guys? Pascal, Kron, the GOAT. The GOAT. Actually, the GOAT put some pretty good information in Discord, I will say. What up, Donald? The Lord's in here. Bob, Xanax traders up in here. Being frustrated waiting for that reverse. Yeah. I don't know if we're going to get it. Mad Moxie. Profit P, what up? BK's here early. James. Jim Blab's up in here. Oh, Vicious. Trying to keep up with the chat. Chat's crazy. Stone. Pete Jazz. Are we late for a rundown? I don't know. Piano Trader. Yeah, you can't bracket Apex funded accounts. Just remember that. You can never bracket Apex funded. Yo, I only needed $75 to take this account green. Unbelievable. Are we going to hold 300? Come on. Uh-oh. I'm going to get stopped out. Saw that coming. What up, Victor? Yeah, Maria, you can bracket trade Apex evals. When it comes to evals, you can do anything you want. I'm not saying to do this, but some dude made it well known that he was going long and short in multiple accounts. Dude, I'm not going to be able to set this up fast enough. Fuck me. I'm trying to set this up fast enough. Dude, why didn't this fucking copy trade over? Wait. Why didn't this copy trade over? Are you shitting me? Oh, I did it in the wrong fucking account. Yo, anybody take that? So this is what I did. I'll show you what I did. I did the copy trader in 203. And when I went and got in the position, I did it in 213. Anybody get that with me? By the way, shout out. Who called it in here anyways? Was that Sean that called the 3-bar? Who called it? Somebody called it in here and I saw it and I took it. And I don't even know if I'm done. I might re-get in, but who called it? Wait, am I missing a 3 p.m. strategy? No, Maria. It's the 3-bar reversal. I got my kid's bag of crunchy of. Oh man. Yo. Yeah, Sean. I obviously stacked on a bunch. I meant to take it in this account. Are you shitting me? Keep pushing it. Push it. Got it. Wow. Yo, that changed my whole day around. What do I call blueberries playing the guitar together? I don't know. What do I call it? A jam. Yo, if we bounce up, I'm going to reshort this. So for you guys that missed it, this is the 3-bar. This is the 3-bar reversal that we were waiting for. At the top of the trend, you get a 3-bar. You enter at the bottom, which is at 295. Your stop loss would have been 324. And obviously we smashed. Yeah, that was good. I mean, that just made my day. I also hit it in an XFA for $420 as well. Yo, I want that freaking certificate. Okay. So what are we looking for now? I would like to see a move back up into like 79. 79 to 91. Reject and come back down. Yo, I got to ask, how loud is... I didn't even realize that you could tell I'm eating these things. How loud is it when I eat this thing? Can you actually hear it? Yo, really? Yo, I didn't know my mic picks it up. I'll stop eating them. I'll stop eating them. My bad. My bad. I didn't know. I'm always loud. Dude, super crunchy. You guys have pretzels wherever you're at? Never had pretzels? Yeah, when I'm in the bathroom talking to it, I'm like, buddy, she says mine's good. The big ones hurt. Let's see if it holds. It's right here. I mean, this kind of looks like a bear flag, to be honest. It looks like we're going to head back down to 40. There we go. Another $50 in each account. I'm worried because we're getting close to 200. Let's see if I could turn this one green. That's so wild that I copy traded this account, and this one, and I made up all the losses in this account. And come on, I needed $90 to turn it. I needed $90 to turn it green. I just needed $90. Hook me up with $90. Oh, I turned it green. What's my Cash App? I don't have Cash App. Why do people ask me about Cash App? What? What up, Milton? Yeah, I don't have Cash App. I got Venmo, Zelle, and PayPal. Yo, what's my MySpace? I wonder if I could find my old MySpace. I don't even know what it is. I don't know what my MySpace URL is. Yo, Frank Grinder. Yo, I got a friend that uses that, and he says that app they should make for straight people because it's so much easier to use than Tinder. That's the word on the street. We were talking about all the freaking apps because they got Bumble, they got Coffee, and I think it's Coffee and Donut. I got a friend that's on JDate. We were having this whole conversation in like a group chat, and we were talking about how each one is different and how they market and all the other. Ooh, I'll take this. I didn't get a good fill. I should have gotten filled at 22. Come on. And then I guess there's a new one out there that I guess you got to talk to somebody for like $125. You got to talk to somebody for like 3 days before you can even see a photo of them. It's kind of like Love is Blind, I guess. Yeah. We were having this whole conversation, I want to say like 2.5 weeks ago. Dude, there's so many of them. I can't believe I think Bumble's publicly traded. Coffee meets bagel. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, friend. You hang at the Lollipops Club? Yo, isn't that from Wolf of Wall Street? The Lollipop Club, where what's his face was hanging out when they're up in his penthouse. Yo, the short was amazing. The short entry was 91. Yeah, I could have gotten a lot of freaking points. A lot of points. Yeah, come on. You know Rudy. Yo. Yeah. Rudy from the Lollipop Club. There's a couple other ones too. I'm trying to think. There's like 2 or 3 other ones. I remember when I was younger, like Match and Go Fish. Is that what it was called? Go Fish? Oh, Plenty of Fish. Plenty of Fish and Match were like big. And they had eHarmony was big. I don't know if those are even around anymore. Dude, now it's Tinder, man. My boy, his thumb, he ices his thumb at the end of the night just from freaking swiping all day. Yo, CT's like, too many questions. Just show me the pictures. Oliver, all the way to the top? What do I want? What do I want? What up, Matt? What up? What up? Wow, this is a freaking pump. I got a bad fill, but let's see what happens. I was just there for a quick scout, $100. Right off that imbalance. Look at that shit. That's crazy. That's so insane. I'm going to start swapping to some other accounts here. Oh. Is that what it is? It lined up at the fair value gap on the 15? I imagine it's the same thing because that's what FVGs are. Basically, volume imbalances. Dude, that's not in the middle of the range. I mean, that's kind of. I'm looking at it right now. That's so iffy. That's such an iffy one. You know why it's an iffy one? Is because we've kind of been trending up all day. You know what I'm saying? Like when you're trending up all day, you're looking for the short. I wouldn't consider that one, CT. Can you take it? Yes. Just remember, your stop is at 19. So you're looking at a 40-point stop loss. Yeah. I don't love it. I don't love it. You know, if we were dropping all day, I would take this. If anything, I want to see us consolidate here for like 3 more candles, 4 more candles, work the stochastics down a little bit, and then I would take it long. This shit has kept me from taking a payout the last 2 days. Why? What happened? What's wrong? Maybe I could help you out. I'm not seeing the drop. Kinda, but I would take it here, and my stop would probably be like 54. Like I'm gonna take it. I can't risk the full amount because it's not really my trade plan. You know, like my plan is when it really goes one way. I'm just taking it off. I got $100. I like it. I'll just show you on, because there's gonna be questions about it. Like I'm gonna show you an example. Like this is 100% a take. I take this all day, twice on Sunday. This, I just don't see it because we've been going up all day. And if you zoom out on the higher time frames, you're still trending up. You know, what I want to see is I'll go back to yesterday. Look how far we came down. Like this is 160. This is like a 400 point drop. So I could see then taking this, and then from here to up top, from the bottom to the top is like 250 points. Then I would retake this. That's a 250 point move. The move today is like 70 points. This is like, you know, it's not even a 100 point down move. Not really what I like to see. You know, I'm just, listen, you guys can back test it and check it out on your own, but that's just how I like to see it. I like to see real trends get reversed. Let's see if I could pass this account real quick. In fact, the reversal must be in a PD array or having taken liquidity. I mean, that obviously helps out as well. That's like a added, I would almost say, goat. I would almost say, like, if you had that as well, because what was the PD array? It was probably like at 282 up here somewhere. Yeah, yo, Paul, you can flip one micro. Yeah. I don't know. A Newt. I bracket trade it, so I go whatever way it goes. Where do I have the PD array on? Why don't I have? I must have taken it off. Why did I take it off? I just did the wrong one. I got to re-add that tab. The tab with all the PD arrays, I don't know where it just went. I had it. I had it and no longer have it. So just take one micro. Yeah, Paul. Yep. Paul, I would just buy it and I would buy it and then sell instantly and just get out. You don't have to hold for 10 seconds. There's no hold time. Just get in and out. What happened to that? Yeah. Yo, Goat, what indicator do you use? What indicator are you using that has the PD arrays on it? I don't know where mine went. Oh, here, this one has it. Oh, breaker blocks with signals. There you go. There I go. Yep. Man, 2 days in a row. There you go, Matt. Just keep stacking. Just keep stacking. Come on. Give me the dump. I'm afraid it's going to bounce right there. I got a bad I couldn't get to the account fast enough. I couldn't get to the account fast enough. I got an awful entry. I was taking the bounce off the 200 here and I was just trying to pass this thing quick. I should have been getting in right here at like 44 instead of in at like 49. Which is a big difference. It's like $800 with how many contracts I'm in. Oh, come on. No, we're going to blow this account. Come on. It was like $500. It would have been like 1,200 if I got a better entry. But see, if you took that 5-minute here, you would not be happy right now. Here you go, Fred. I hope they pay you. I hope they pay you. Oh, man. Yo, they won't. I don't know, man. I read some shit on Twitter lately. I'm like, I don't know. Do I believe everything I hear on Twitter? No, but you know what I'm saying. I don't want to risk it. That's what I was saying, Dell, not to take it. First of all, you have to be willing to have a stop loss at 219. So if you can't withstand it down to 219, you either have to use less contracts because technically you would still be in the position long. You would have gotten in at 270. I mean, you're only down 15 points. You're down 10 points. You know, that's how, you know, you have to be able to withstand it all the way down to the bottom. They fixed that. We're extra cautious. We extra don't want to pay you. I meant cautious. We definitely extra don't want to pay you. Oh, so you're not smoked then? I thought you said you smoked the account. You're still long and strong, man. You're hanging in there. Hanging tough like Marky Mark, man. How did you get over the intraday drawdown in a pro account quick? Size up, short wins. You're talking about like in like this, like my Take Profit Trader Pro. Because the trailing drawdown is only 2,000 until you go over the buffer and then it's static. I take wins quicker and I trail close, so I don't let it ever eat my drawdown. That's pretty much how I go about it. You know, I can't let it move around a lot because I don't want it to eat up like $500 or $800 worth of drawdown. So I just kind of I trail close, take profits when I can, things like that. Yo, I'm watching the trend line on the top side that's almost touching either blowout or respector, come back down and make a flag pattern possibly. Honestly, this is looking shitty. You almost got a head and shoulders here. You got a massive head, up, shoulder, and down and out. See what happens. Dude, that was 140, 130 bucks in 12 seconds. I just took it because the 200's right there. I do think we're going to end up going over. The issue with inaccurate account balances on the new dashboard, which caused some issues, accounts to not pass. Yo, who wrote that, caveman? Who wrote that? The only person I know has a new dashboard is Top Step. Yeah. Who said that's all messed up? Oh. Oh, man, I kind of want to take this. Oh, I should have just taken it. Let's see what happens. I took it to the downside. I have a tight stop. If you're bearish, you definitely don't want to see it close above the 21 on the 5. You kind of want to see it roll here. I think if I get stopped out, I think you're going to trend pretty high up. Problem is my entry. My entry should have been like 5 points higher. Yeah, it didn't. It didn't, CT. Just watch out. So now we're getting close to Google earnings. So shit can get really wild now. Shit can get real wild. Get real. Yo, we got 85 people. 15 more people for a massive giveaway. I will say that. 15 more people in here. Yo, we hit 100 people for the first time ever on the live stream. I will give out some good shit. Do not call mama up. Up 1K. Am I playing ER, Kevin? I am going to play ER. Oh, baby. How big? How deep? It will stretch it all out. It'll be girthy. Yeah, Kevin. Yep. Dude, I'm setting my stuff up right now so I don't have an issue like I did yesterday. I can't believe I missed yesterday, dude. I am so mad that I missed yesterday. Luckily, I saved my ass. All right. I got to get rid of these. Connections disconnect. Connect. If not for traders banding together, these account balance issues like Topset would just be met with OL. Yeah, you got to remember everything's on social media right now, man. That's like that guy that got that $2 million payout. I don't know if that guy was getting paid until people started sharing that shit on Twitter, and then he had to get paid his $2 million bucks. I will say that. Guy's name was? Yo, he was not getting paid. My man was not getting paid. It just felt that way. Not saying that's what was happening. Just kind of felt that way. You know, but everybody came together and they were like, yo, this guy needs to get paid. And then all of a sudden he magically got paid, which is cool, you know, because he earned it, obviously. He obviously earned it. Oh. I was well ahead of you before I lost it all. Ahead of me? You almost had me? You never had me. You never had your car. All right. Are we robbing this thing? Yo, I don't know why he waited so long, though. What was his deal? Dude, I would never have waited that long. You're crazy. I'm just looking to try a scalp off this imbalance up here. I'm just looking for a little scalp action. I should have put my order right here, actually. Let's see if I get it real quick to the downside. Real quick, flash down for me one time. No, I'm out of that. It broke. It broke. All right, I'm setting my thing up. I'm setting it up, baby. All right, what do we got? 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Am I gonna play one of these? I probably am. What else am I gonna play here? All right. I got some accounts set up. You're leaning towards long? Going long? Oh, dude, is this going to do it now? I might take this. I'm in the mode. I'm in the mode. Just fucking drop it. I'll take it. I'm in the scalp mode. Dude, it's going to get real rough here. There's going to be a lot of wicks. Google earnings are after hours. So you're going to get a lot of wicks and stuff leading up to this. This is going to be an interesting last couple of minutes here. So just protect your booty. Protect your booty. I'm deciding if I want to take anything else here. I guess I'm going to do this one too. Who cares? Who cares? Let me do this one. Maybe I could stack a couple of extra shekels. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Maybe no. Don't play in the hole. Don't drop the soap, boys. Get ready. It's about to get crazy up in this. I think they're going to pump it all the way to the top, man. That's crazy. Do not take this. This is a pure scalp. There's no, I'm just trying to ride the momentum for a scalp. That's all I was looking for. This isn't like an A+ setup. I was just trying to ride it. Maybe they could target the imbalance at 13. I'm not even holding that long. I'm just trying to get a couple bucks. Maybe the top of this wick. I'm not looking for a lot of capital here, 35 bucks. I'm looking to be out. The 300 some level is apparently a big flip level. Do not play. Do not pay. Do not pay. Y'all, I'll tell you what, if they dump this on Google earnings, they set retail up pretty freaking hard. They set retail up pretty hard if they dump this at earnings. I'm not getting distracted today. I'm setting it all. Dude, you just mentioned it. I was in the wrong account. I was literally, all right, I'm setting it up. All right. I'm ready. I'm freaking jacked. All right, here we go. I'm in the right account. Everything looks good. Let's see what we do. Was up 30K. My max is like 3 Gs. Google is going to pop this quarter. Next quarter won't be as good. It's going to be interesting. It's definitely going to be interesting. I think that guidance is what you're going to have to really watch out for all these earnings. Not so much earnings, but the guidance. Because if you think about it, the quarter that they just had did not have tariffs involved. Now the guidance is going to talk about tariffs, and that next quarter is going to have tariffs involved that I think we're going to have an issue. Dude, I'm up freaking. Yo, just keep pumping this. I'm at 5,800 right now, just in this account. 57.98. Just keep pumping it. All right. No sell at today's high. I don't know, man. I didn't think we were going all the way back up to the highs. Let's get it, boys. Dude, so iffy. So iffy. I'm watching. I'm waiting. Dude, I don't like how big this candle is, though. Okay. Are you fucking kidding me? I got it. I did it in micros. I did it in micros. Again, fuck me, man. Look, I just did it in micros. I just did it in micros. What the fuck is wrong with me? Did that just fucking happen again? Dude, I don't understand what's wrong with me. I honestly don't understand what's wrong with me. Dude. I just fucking did that in micros. That's wild, man. I hope you guys banked. You should have banked. Everybody in here should have banked. I just took that in micros like an idiot. Yo, what up, Hardy? Yo, I can't believe that just happened to me. How many fucking times did I check this? You didn't take profits? What's up, HRC? Sturds? What up? What up, guys? Dude, that was easy money that I just didn't take. Yeah, but I fucked up yesterday and I just fucked up today again. Oh, that's so stupid. Google's at 405. Oh, I'm not playing. I'm not playing. Oh, I know I'm in minis, Flip. Oh, I know I'm in minis. Did we hit 100? I can tell you right now. I'll hit the analytics button. We did not. Yeah, 99 is the highest. 99. Oh. Yo, that's so crazy that I was in freaking micros. I can't believe I was in micros. Dude, that sucks so bad. Yo, I'm playing Google earnings, by the way. I don't know if you are, but I'm gonna play Google earnings without a doubt. Google earnings, it is. Yo, for anybody that's new, if you want to join the Discord, there's the Discord. Join the Discord. We hit it? Did we hit it? I see 95. Did we hit it? I didn't even see it. Are we there? You guys lying to me. Dude, that's awesome. Yo, yours says 90. Yo, mine says 96. I believe you. I don't see it on my screen. That sucks. What? Oh, that's yours says I'll just show you. I have like the YouTube analytics page. That's the YouTube analytics page. It doesn't give it didn't give me that we did 100. I believe you if we did it. I believe you. What up, ZK? You know what it is? It zeroes out people that have multiple, that I think are signed on with multiple accounts. Oh shit! I see 100 now. Yo, it shows 100. Dude, that's wild. Dude, that's crazy that we hit 100 people today. I see 100 right now. Wow. 97? What happened to 100? Get back in. Get back in. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, that's wild. Premier Turf Solutions. What up? Yo, everybody stay. Nobody move. Nobody move. Oh, man. Dude, that's crazy. That's crazy that we hit 100. Dude, 100 is freaking awesome. It's on like Donkey Kong. Hit a hundy. It's me, Mario. Oh, man. What's up, DBT? Yo, I'm just saying this is going to be a holy shit. Yo, this is going to move the market one way or the other. Fucking massive. I'm just letting you know. Yo, Racer. I'm willing to risk this account. Just remember that. I'm risking it for the biscuit. Is that what it's at? 405? I'm trying to keep it somewhat close. Dude, this is gonna send it one way or the other, boys.
Order rejected.
Yo! What's up? Yo! Who's taking that motherfucking payout right after the market? Who's taking that? Yo, smash the fucking confetti. What? Let's go. Ah. Smash it. Oh. What? What? Yo. Yo, at one point it was up $8,500. I made $3,725 on that. Yo, Corey's looking at that. Yo. That's like a $2,000 payout because I'm past the buffer now, and it's gonna be like a $2,000 payout. Yo, 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 Corey. Now that you've seen that, bro. Yo, I'll do the dance. No risk, no Rari, bro. Bullish. Yo, how'd you get liquidated, Dell? Jay Styles nailed it. Who nailed it? Some of you guys nailed it. How did Jay Styles nailed it? Yeah, Google's up 5% right now. 5. It's up $8. Yo, I almost shit my pants when it said I was up $8,500. Dude, that would have been crazy. $8,500 would have been wild. You were disciplined. Hey, you got to have some discipline. Concrete Cowboy, 3 Gs. It didn't fill your order? That's crazy. Wow. Holy smokes, people. Wow. Dude, that was amazing. No risk, no Rari. Yo, Corey, did I just open your eyes to something new? You can't do it on Apex, though. You can't do it on Apex funded accounts. You got to do it on like a Take Profit Trader. Why did the micro chart move different? They when there's news or stuff like that, micros do move different. There's sometimes different wicks on the micros. Dude, I thought I was up 8,500. That would have been the shit. If I got... That's crazy that they didn't close it out. That's wild. We were talking about it in here, Garen. They were saying 4:05, but somebody also said 4 o'clock, so I wasn't going to miss it. I just was bracket trading it. Micros would have triggered you short. What did micros look like? Oh shit, micros drop first. Bro, that's dirty as shit. Yo, micros would have got you down. Yeah, yo, free humanity. I was up not almost 9K. Yo, micros was different. Holy shit. Yeah, so you have to leave a buffer. So I have to leave 52,000. So I can withdraw $2,592 and then they take their cut. And I'll end up with something. I'll end up with probably around $2,000 is what I'll end up with. Yo, I took out $1,700 yesterday and $2,000 today. So that's $3,700 in 2 days. $3,700 in 2 days. Plus my E-Trade account's up $6,200 today. I think my Robinhood account's up like 2 G's too. Dude, today has been crazy. What up, Quan? Someone said Intel came out first. I'll tell you what, caveman, you could have passed right there. What's crazy was I almost canceled my order in here to set up Replicanto. And I was like, fuck it, I'll just do this one account instead of a lot. Wow. There's no consistency rule on take profit trader accounts. That's why I tell everybody to get them. By the way, I'm just throwing this out there because you guys are asking. There's no consistency rule on take profit trader. You could trade anything you want. That's why I love them. That's why I love take profit trader the most. And they're 30% off and there's zero activation fee right now. So if you want to trade like what just happened on my screen, you need to have one of those accounts because you can't use Apex. Apex doesn't allow bracket trading on funded accounts. Intel, I wonder why Intel's struggling. Intel used to be really good of a company. Like they were like the big dogs back in the day. You can't go hard on the take profit trader accounts. Yeah. They're to me the most valuable accounts because there's no consistency rule. Like I took a daily payout yesterday and I'm going to get paid again today. So it's 2 days in a row of daily payouts. DBT, what do I mean on bracket trading? So just in case I don't get fucked. Say we're trading like here. I would go short here. Long. So if we go up, they clip my buy and they sell me out real quick. And on the downside, they click my sell and then they fill me real fast. So either way, you got it. So why exactly take profit trader doesn't deny payouts? Take profit trader, there's no rules. They just don't want you to trade red folder news. Yo, I can't believe micros fucked you like this. The micros wicked down first. Fill me real fast, Poppy. The only thing that would take profit is I made $3,000 in 1 day, and because of that, I did my new target was 6. And yeah, well, that's on an eval. I'm past the evals. We're on pro accounts. That's crazy that you got wicked out because they didn't wick out on the they didn't wick it on these on NQ. By the way, before anybody leaves, I want to say, first of all, I appreciate you guys. We hit over 100 today on the stream for the first time ever. We are going to do a bunch of giveaways in about 8 minutes. So be sure to stick around. Yeah. Today was a fucking good day. Yeah, Apex doesn't allow you to do doesn't allow to do it. Yo, you smashed on that copper trade? 8 hours, but you made 3 G's. That was well worth it. Scotsman. Actually, Scotsman, I'll give you the clap for that. You deserve the clap. Does Bullnox have to be rhythmic to use Ninja Trader? I think so. I think so. Damn, we peaked at 102. Yo, nothing like getting a good STD to end your day. What's crazy, though, I'm going to be honest with you, just as a bullish, bearish, we gave up all of that pop pretty much. Like that Google pop, we basically gave it up already. Google's only up 3.7% right now. And Google's down a lot from the top. Sean, you pumped? What'd you do? Did you hit the Take Profit Trader account? What'd you do, Sean? Yes, I have 5 funded accounts with Fidias. I'm up $300 to $900 in each one of them today. I don't like Fidias because the rules are awful. To pass a 50K account, you need to earn 33% more money. And then they only have 1 payout window per month. Yo, Shannon Sharp, the new Diddy? Dude, he's just out there choking people. The Fidias, I traded all those, my normal strategy. Damn, Sean. That's awesome. Bro, that 3-bar, I'll be honest with you, man. That 3-bar, that shit's money. Yeah, oh shit. Yo, I just want to call you Debo, like from Friday, the big jack guy. Yo, Deba, they only pay you $2,000 a month, and then you got to like build it up. It's not worth getting an account there. If you're gonna pay that type of money, just get like a Take Profit Trader account. There's no activation fee either. Or Apex is 90% off when you use coupon code below. That's not bad. There's $16 accounts right now. Apex. Yo, I need a 12-bar. Yo, I might change the name of it to like, yo, the old 3-leg setup, the 3rd leg setup. If you just wait for like that setup every day, it's fucking money. Where do I have it? I'll just pull it up on here. You just got to be cautious. Yo, what's crazy is if you played it let me just take this away. Yo, it ended up working out here. I don't know. I know Dell said he was taking this. If you took this, your stop was 220. You banked money on this. So if you took the top one here, this one was an A+ setup for many reasons. If you took that, you made money. And if you took this one, you would have been profitable. I mean, you would have made a lot of money also. Let's see your play-by-play entry and exit. On what, Concrete? DBT, which one? This one right here? I got a couple different setups. Oh, you took both, Sean? Yeah. You just got to have the nutsack to hold. That's all. You just got to hold it. And wait. You got to wait. Top one changed their rules in a bad way. I've said from the beginning, Wayne, not to get an account there. There's so many of those like influencer pumpers on Twitter telling people to get the account there when themselves have not even taken a payout from them. It was just, you see for, what it is. Now they put these people in there. Now the rules are changed. On this 3-bar, so this is the 3-bar alert. You get in at the bottom when it confirms at 294, and your stop is 326. And then I would target on the day. I would go down to like the 1 minute. And this is where it happened on the 5, and then you would basically target, if I was taking it here, you'd probably target the 200, or you target, I would probably take half off where I actually got out. This is the 21 on the 5. I'd probably first take profit would have been here. Second would have been the 200, and then I'm out. Yeah, Matt. Yeah. I should just make a video about it again. I have an old video. I should just make a new one about it for everybody. Yeah, if you look at the streamers that promote top one, you'd know not to trust them. Exactly, Prophet P. If you saw somebody and they were promoting top one, you should just hit the unfollow button. That goes with any brand new prop firm. Like, you shouldn't be promoting a brand new prop firm at all. Especially one that you yourself has not bought accounts, traded, passed an account, and got a payout. How can I tell you to use them if they've never paid me before? Oh, jeez, Fred. Yeah, just promoting. Apex activation fees $130. They raised the price on the back end and lowered the front end. Yeah, Amir, just stick to the ones that have been paying you. Listen, a new prop firm is not going to make you profitable. I use different ones based on different things that they give me. Like, some give me daily payouts. Some give me a really cheap cost of funding. Yeah, Jesse, I think there was a lot of hype into the Google earnings. Monthly's $85. I don't even think I saw that, Nasdaq. I didn't even see that when I did it. My Funded Futures is awesome also. I like My Funded Futures. I use them. I got them right here, Volumetrica. Wayne, who said that? Top one? Take Profit Trader's the best, Scotsman. Like you said, It's 30% no activation fee right now. And I'll be honest with you, like, I know they're sending me my money tonight. I'm going to get $2,000. There's going to be no issues. And then tomorrow I can run it up again. Yo, OCT. Yeah, that's crazy talk. Another prop firm isn't going to make my decisions better. I didn't even look at that. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to do the duck race, guys. It's 422. My bad. I got so caught up in everything. All right. Let me set this duck race up. Wow. Dude, there's a lot of freaking people in this mofo. All right, here we go. So there's going to be just a couple of them. By the way, if you win once, you cannot win again in the same day. I'm just throwing that out there. We're spreading this. We're spreading the love out today. So I just want to throw that out there. We're going to do a couple that just have the people that were on in the morning, and then we're going to run a bunch for the people that are on right now. And some people were also on. By the way, if you're brand new on this stream, we stream live every day, 10:30 till noon, and then we stream again 2 p.m. to 4:30. Be sure to subscribe, and you got to click that little bell button also. Otherwise, you won't get notified that I'm on. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COLDTRADER. It works at all the prop firms, and that's what allows me to give away all these accounts. I'm going to drop the Discord link. It's free also. If you want to hang out with some of us after hours. Yo, Trader 205. Are you in here? That's the free Discord. 205. You got 2 minutes to claim. Are you here? Yo, you got to shoot me an email if you win. These are all for Apex accounts. After this race, we're gonna do all the afternoon guys. All the afternoon guys we're gonna do. Who do we got? Yo, Sean C in the house. All right, we're gonna fire this up. I'm just setting it. I'm just getting it going on my end here. All right. Damn. All right, here we go. We're gonna start firing these off right now. It's all automated. Did you put the? You got to put the code in. What the fuck? Why didn't this? Why didn't that work? So weird. All right, here we go. My bad. I was setting this up and it was like not working correctly. All right, these are all for Apex accounts. Dude, it's so hard to see. Look at what this looks like. And then ducks go right off the screen. I don't see where my duck is either. Check the donation. What are you talking about? Chad, I have no idea what you're talking about. Oh shit, dude. Oh, you don't have to do that. Oh, Karen. Do $100 duck race for 100 viewers. Bro, I didn't even see that. I appreciate that a lot. I will run it. What do you want to do, Garen? A bunch of Apex accounts, or do you want me to do yeah. Do you want me to do a bunch of Apex accounts? Do you want me to do Take Profit Trader account? What do you want to do? Enchanted's here. Dude. We're just going to keep riding this off. We're going to keep Enchanted Grossness. We're just going to have a lot of fun right now. We're going to have a lot of fun here. Everybody thank Garen. Everybody thank Island Boy. Dude, I didn't even see it. I got to scroll up on the thing. Let me see if I can find it. There we go. Yo, everybody can thank him. That's awesome. Definitely appreciated. Coach Fred in the house. Coach Fred, you here? Coach Fred, you here? Fred, Coach Fred's here. Oh, yeah. Send me an email, dude. There's going to be a lot of emails coming in hot. I got to put my air on. I got to put the freaking air conditioner on. It's hot. Maria, how many are we doing? I don't know. Each one is an Apex account. Yeah, I mean, listen, don't fake that you're somebody. Don't fake that you're somebody in a. All right, Island Boy, just do one race for $100 in cash. Okay, what race do you want me to do that in, Garen? $100 in cash. What race? You want me to do it right now, or do you want to do it in another race? What do you want to do? He gets to choose, obviously. All right, the last race of the day. My email's right here. The last race is going to be for $100. They do, Mohammed. I'm going to cover it though. Don't worry about it. I'm going to cover the YouTube fees. I got it. We're staying positive. We're all staying positive. It's all good in the hood. Dude, Speed Racer has won like every fucking race. Maria, if you win, I'll let you know. Maria, if you win the last race, I'll let you know. Maria, either way, if you have to leave, I'll let you know if you won. Don't worry about it. I got you, Maria. You're always around. You're hanging out in the Discord. I'll let you know. I got you. Yo, we're just firing these off. Deuces. All right. Yo, later, BK. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is he going to win? Dude, this is the first time ever. That's the first time ever. Trading Ticks, are you here? That's the first time ever. Oh. Yo. Yo, I got to screenshot it. Yo, that's the first time they let him win. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, this day's just wild. Trading Ticks, you're here? Carlos, where's your name? I don't know. Did you put the thing in? Oh. Did you put your name in, Carlos? Oh, there's so many fucking names. You did not. Mad Moxie. Mad Moxie's in here. Mad Moxie, you in here? Mad Moxie. Please tell me you're in here, Mad Moxie. No, you don't re-enter for these. Yo, Mad Moxie's definitely thinking about that booty from the chat. Here you go. Send me an email. Yeah, I see you. I see you. We're just running it again, Mad Moxie. Send me an email. This is this is a special. We hit 100 people on the stream. Xanax, you here? Xanax, you here? Oh, my eyes. What do I put in the email? Just say, what's up? Just say, what's up? Yo, Xanax, you got 2 minutes to claim your account. I don't choose the winners, Mac Daddy. I don't own this. It's random. You don't see your duck? I have an idea. Yo, Xanax isn't here? I'm going to rerun this in not even a minute. He's not here. Yes, you can. Yo, Siddharth, you can. You can use Replicanto and do it. All right, he lost it. Yo, this is going to be like a fireworks show because we're going to lead up into the big one. We're going to lead up to something bigger. And we're going to do something real quick. Yo. Sam. Sam here? All right. We're going to have one more Apex, and then I got some surprises. Last Apex one. Sam, shoot me an email. Yeah, what happens is people are, yes. Yo, B Trading won. I think this is the first time they won. Yo, good surprises or what happened to my buddy? Good surprises. Yo, B, you here? All right. Check this out. We're going to do this one more time. Stick with me. Do not leave. Believe me. Do not leave. For anyone that's on the stream right now, reset it up. We're going to do 2 take profit trader accounts, and then we're going to do the $100 one. 2 take profit trader accounts for whoever wins these next 2 races. And then we'll do that $100 race from Garen, from Island Boy. You got 3 minutes to enter it though, because obviously it's 4:40. I have my kid's art show. I got to go to an art show at my 6-year-old school today. So if you haven't smashed the like button, definitely smash the like button. I'm going to give away 2 take profit trader accounts and a $100 in cash in the last race. You got 3 minutes. I'm not keeping it up. This is definitely appreciation for all you guys coming to the stream all the time, hanging out, being part of the community. Nah, there's more than 30 likes, Scotsman. You got to refresh the page. This was, I told you guys when we hit 100 people, I'm giving back. Giving back. You got 1 more minute to submit it, and then it's going to close up. Nah, it's going to get everybody in. Oh. Let's go. If you're brand new on the stream, Streamlabs doesn't let you enter right away. That stops people from signing up like 30 accounts and just entering 30 times. So I'm just being honest with you. If you're brand new, we give accounts away almost every day. Every day we give accounts away. So don't worry about it. You'll have chances going forward. But Streamlabs does it. So if you're brand new, it stops people from setting up 30 accounts every day and just signing up. So it's part of the fraud program, I guess. All right. I can't even see the chat personally. So if your chat's probably going so fast anyways. If you win, this is for a Take Profit Trader account. So when you email me, say Take Profit Trader in the email. And if you lie and you wanted Apex earlier, I will not be happy if you found out. Just be truthful about it. Oh, geez, Garen. Garen's going hard. Yo, I appreciate it. That's the second to last race. No, that's the last race. We have this one more, and then the big one. Email me. Yo, B Trading has never won anything since being on here. Last one. Yeah. I'll hook it up. Don't worry. I'll handle. Yo, cats. All right, so this is the big one right now. Cats, you in here? Got to be in here because you just submitted this. You got to be in here. All right, so this is for the big one, guys. $200. $200. You guys, by the way, you better have PayPal, Venmo, or Zelle. Otherwise, that's the only way you're getting paid. I'm just telling you, if you tell me about Cash App or Rise, you're not getting paid. You got to have one of those three things. Just throwing that out there. You're getting it. You're getting 200 yen. That's it. You're getting 200 yen. No. Ready? Gotta give back. Gotta give back, CT. Who's gonna get it? What up, Ivan? Evening. I don't think Jaden's ever won in here. Yo, Jaden, you're going to have to email me. All right, guys. Let me just tell you real quick. I appreciate everybody on this stream. This has been a crazy journey from just making videos to going live. I never thought 100 people would be on this stream ever, to be honest with you. It's been pretty fun. It's a wild experience. We're making a lot of money now, and I'm having a great time. I congrats to everybody that won. We're gonna do more account giveaways through the week. We're gonna keep account giveaways going through the rest of the week. So if you didn't win, you could possibly win tomorrow. And like I said, if you want to hang out, I have the Discord. It's free. You can hang out with us when we're not streaming. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader below. And that's pretty much it. If you trade Apex, just remember that it ends tonight. Other than that, man, this is crazy. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun with everybody on here. I'm learning some things from you guys. I hope you guys are learning some things from me. If you're new here, we stream twice a day. We stream 10:30 in the morning till noon, and then we stream again 2:30 to 4:30, 2 o'clock to 4:30. But yeah, man, if I didn't answer your question, if you asked a question within the last 45 minutes on the stream, because the stream's been wild, ask me again. I try to answer everybody in here. I try to answer no matter what the question is. I try to answer it to my best ability, and then I look it up if I don't know the answer. But yeah, we appreciate Island Boy. Island Boy hooked it up today for you guys as well. Let's give Island Boy a big clap, actually. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys one last time. It's crazy. You're still at work? Yeah, my dad life is about to kick in. I got to go to an art show in a little bit. Yeah, shout out to Island Boy. Big shout out to Island Boy. And then, yeah, if you guys won, whoever won, be sure to shoot me an email. That's my email address. Yo, smash to confetti for Island Boy. Hell yeah. Yeah. That was highly appreciated. That was pretty cool. And then that's pretty much it, guys. This was so cool. We had a great day today, I thought. Pretty good day. And it ended really well. And that's pretty much it. For you other guys, I'll see you in the Discord tonight. I'll try to pop in after the art show. If you want to hang out, it's free, but we play some poker at night. And yeah. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 10:30, or I'll see you tonight in the Discord. All right? This was awesome. This was awesome. So, peace out, guys.